Idioms allow people to say something in a more interesting or imaginative way. Using idioms makes your English sound more native-like and fluent. 1. Break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social setting. Example, to break the ice, he told a funny story at the beginning of the meeting.
Shh.
Second, hit the nail on the head, meaning to be exactly right about something. Example, you hit the nail on the head when you said he's not committed to the project.
Shh.
Third, let the cat out of the bag, meaning to reveal a secret. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Shh.
4. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll stay home.
Shh.
5. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret or confidential information. Example, who spilled the beans about the promotion?
Shh.
6. A piece of cake, meaning very easy to do. Example, the exam was a piece of cake.
Shh.
7. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Example, he burned the midnight oil to finish the project on time.
Shh.
8. Bite the bullet, meaning to do something unpleasant that must be done. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet.
Shh.
9. Costs an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example, that car costs an arm and a leg.
Shh.
10. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your responsibility to take action now. Example, I've done all I can, now the ball is in your court.
Shh.
11th, hit the books, meaning to study hard. Example, I have to hit the books this weekend for my exam.
Shh.
12. Kick the bucket, meaning to die. Example, the old man finally kicked the bucket at 98
Shh.
13. Let someone off the hook, meaning to not hold someone responsible for something. Example, he forgot to do the homework, but the teacher let him off the hook.
Shh.
14. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Example, we see them only once in a blue moon.
Shh.
15. Bend over backwards, meaning to try very hard to help someone. Example, she bent over backwards to make them feel welcome.
Shh.
16. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example, he found himself in hot water after missing the deadline.
Shh.
17. Call it a day, meaning to stop working for the day. Example, it's already 8 p.m., let's call it a day.
Shh.
18. Add fuel to the fire, meaning to make a bad situation worse. Example, his angry comments just added fuel to the fire.
Shh.
19. Back to the drawing board, meaning to start over after a failure. Example, the design didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board.
Shh.
20. The best of both worlds, meaning enjoying two different opportunities at once. Example, working from home gives me the best of both worlds, flexibility and comfort.